let's be real, mate. You're known around town for this sort of thing. So why don't you just give me what I want to know and we can get on with our day, yeah?
I ain't telling you nothing, pig.
If you're not going to confess, we can play a little game. Ever heard of good cop, bird cop?
You mean bad cop?
Oh, shit. Oh, Calm down.
Oh, fuck.
I'm sorry.
That's police brutality, man! Help!
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Hey, it's your first day.
Oh, sorry.
Everyone has their first day blues, okay? Hey, tell you what, on my first day, you know what I did? I go,
It's medicinal cannabis for my son.
Bullshit. Say goodnight.
No! Stop! Stop! Get out of here, please! I'll do anything. I'll do anything.
Until you confess.
Yes, I have weed. I had it. I've got some.
Got him.
got him. Good job.
Thanks, man.
What?
Wait, who's that? Who the fuck is that?